Namaste friends, welcome to my channel Preparation for Mechanical Engineering. Today we will discuss important questions asked in different exams related to mechanical engineering. Let's start. Our first question is, in slider crank mechanism, secondary forces fluctuate at, the options are the rotating frequency, twice the rotating frequency, 4 times the rotating frequency, half the rotating frequency. The answer is twice the rotating frequency. Our next question is, Venturi meter works on the basis of Newton's principle, Pascal's law, Bernoulli's principle, Archimedes' law. The answer is Bernoulli's principle. Let us know what is Bernoulli's principle. According to Bernoulli's principle, for ideal fluid, the sum of all energy is that kinetic energy, potential energy, and internal energy is always constant. Our next question is, in thermodynamics, a process in which the system undergoes a succession of equilibrium states is a, the options are quasi-static process, reversible process, irreversible process, path-independent process. The answer is B is that 1 and 2, quasi-static process and reversible process. Our next question is, in thermodynamics, which of the following statements are true? The options are work is path independent function, work is path dependent function, work is area under the curve in a PV diagram. Work and heat energy are completely interchangeable. The answer is 2 and 3. Work is path dependent function, work is area under the curve in a PV diagram. Our next question is, which of the following statements are true? The options are heat and work are completely interchangeable forms of energy. Heat and work are not completely interchangeable forms of energy. Work can be converted completely into heat. Heat can be converted completely into work. The answer is 2 and 3. Is that heat and work are not completely interchangeable forms of energy. Work can be converted completely into heat. Our next question is, if for a turning job, the length of work is 200 mm and the taper is 1:50, the set over required for the tail stock to achieve the taper is, the answer is 2 mm. Let us solve this question. Here, section 1.1 and 2.2 shows our job. The length of the job is 200 mm. The taper is 1:50. So, reduction in diameter is equal to taper into length of the job. Is that 1/50 into 200 equals to 400 mm. So, set over required equals to reduction in diameter divided by 2. Is that 4 by 2 equals to 2 mm. Our next question is, the SI unit of thermal conductivity is watt per meter square per Kelvin. Second option is watt meter per Kelvin. Third option is watt meter Kelvin inverse. Watt meter Kelvin. And the correct option is watt per meter per Kelvin. Let us solve this question. According to Fourier's law, Q equals to negative of K into A into dt by dx, where K equals to negative of Q into dx by A into dt, where unit of A equals to meter square. Unit of dt is that change in temperature between two surfaces is Kelvin. Unit of heat transferred is watt. Unit of dx is that the thickness is meter. So K equals to negative of watt into meter divided by meter square into Kelvin. So unit of K is that heat constant is watt per meter Kelvin or watt meter Kelvin inverse. Our next question is buoyant force for a floating body passes through. The options are CG of body, centroid of the displaced volume, midpoint joining CG and metacenter. None of the above. The answer is B, is which is centroid of the displaced volume. Our next question is the bolt in a rigid flanged coupling connecting two shafts transmitting power are subjected to. The options are shear force and bending moment, pure shear, axial tension only, no load. The correct option is A, shear force and bending moment. Our next question is absolute pressure is measured as. The options are gauge pressure minus atmospheric pressure, gauge pressure plus atmospheric pressure, gauge pressure divided by atmospheric pressure, gauge pressure multiplied by atmospheric pressure. The correct option is B, is that gauge pressure plus atmospheric pressure. At last, thank you for watching my videos and please subscribe my channel if you liked my video and for more videos. Thank you.